We are here 1 hour ahead, and we are gonna be waiting for the people to come over here. This is Mexico, and welcome to Cozumel. My name is Carlos. I will be your tour guide today. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna do the check-in. I need your tickets. Can you please? You guys all coming together?
Yes.
First time you come to Mexico?
No.
All right. Very good. I got 4 tickets in here. All right. And 2 tickets. Very good. Please, I need everybody's names on my list, please. 1 name per line. Then, also to gain time to time, I will ask all of you to have one of these labels on you with your name on it. I already got my name in there, but you guys can get your name in it. First name is fine, or nickname. All right.
Your name's already on, yeah. Look.
I'll put it on you. Now, yes, the ticket says we're leaving at 11. That's giving us a few minutes left to go. We're seeing how people have to come, all right? I will ask you if you're gonna walk around, keep an eye on your watch, all right? We're leaving by 11. From here, restroom is right there. You got time to go use the restroom, take the place out, find a place to sit. And then I expect to see you back here by 11, all right? I mean, 5 minutes before 11, so we get all together, and then we get going all together, all right? Very good. Right. But let me explain this to you. We are going to visit one place that is called Discover Mexico. All right, that's one location about a mile away from here, so it's not going to take us that long to make it over there. That place, Discover Mexico, as the name suggests, the idea is to explain to you about the history of Mexico. We're going to tell you about the history of Mexico through showing you things, all right? A very brief version of the Mexican history. We're going to walk around that place. Just by looking these things, it will give you a good idea about the history of Mexico. But I'm going to walk with you, remarking some facts about these pieces, having everything making sense, all right? Walking around Discover Mexico is going to take us about 1 hour, all right? Once we finish at Discover Mexico, then we're going to tell you about one of the most representative things of Mexico, tequila, all right? I'm going to tell you about tequila from the from history of tequila, the legal aspect, all the classification, different type of tequilas and categories, and we will get to taste all this, all right? This tequila seminar is going to take us for about 45 minutes. Once we finish, we will have some fun time drinking margaritas. Woo! You all like margaritas, right? Yes. Excellent. Once we finish with the margaritas, we're going to do the taco buffet. After we got some tequila in the stomach, it's always a good idea to get some food in there so you don't get dizzy. Alright? Our driver, Manuel, is going to bring us over to Discover Mexico. I know I got a family of 6. The 6 of you going here first. Alright? I need 2 more people going with them. You can go with them, alright? We're going to catch you up there within a few more minutes. We got another van coming here. Used to make tequila, that is called the Tequilana Weber Blue Variety. As I say, the same way like no one can make champagne out of the champagne here in France, the same way no one can make tequila out of the denomination of origin. We brought these agaves from the denomination of origin. Now, if you pay a closer look on this, you notice these agaves are dying and they're going dry, and even when it rains more in here, you know? It is because this is not the proper weather for this type of agaves. Neither the soil has all the minerals they need. Alright? But we brought them from Jalisco so you can see them. We make tequila out of this type of agave. I want you to notice also, maybe over there you can see a little baby agave growing from the root. Alright? On the 3rd and 4th years, we collect those baby agaves and save them. By when it is time to come and cut off the big agave, we already got a replacement growing, and we don't have to start all the way from the seed. All right? Very good. Once we say this, we're gonna continue. We're gonna go ahead and watch a video. All right? So please follow me. Stay with me. You might agree with me on saying this. Your steak, it doesn't taste the same when you cook it low, little by little, that when you get the full flame in your stay. You know, the flavor changes. Same thing happens in here. So if you're planning to make a premium brand, use the traditional way. If you're mixing just tequila, it makes no sense to wait that long. Cook the agaves on the autoclaves. Alright? Actually, what happens during the process of cooking, all the carbs will turn into sugars. Alright, so we take those agaves out of the oven and we bring them to the next step, which is we're going to smash those agaves in order to get all those juices from the agaves. Have you ever tasted the agave syrup? It would be right in this part of the process where we get that agave syrup. Alright? We will collect all these sugars and then you hold your glass. You will notice there's a string of tequila sticking around the glass in here. Alright? Very good. The line, all the way on top of this, the line is called crown. Alright? Eventually you will see some drops start falling down. Those drops are called tears. And once those drops go all the way down where the tequila is, and there's a line behind that drop, those lines are called leads. Alright? So actually we can notice the body of the tequila is kind of oily. Right? Actually, the thicker the body of the tequila, the better the quality. Before we go ahead and smell this, next to you, there is a dish with different species in there. We got coffee beans, cinnamon, and some crackers. Also, you find some lime peel there. Alright, I need you to have a little, one of these lime peels here. What we're going to do, we're going to twist it, and then smell that. That smell will clear your sinus. And then we will be able to appreciate the aromas of tequila easier. Alright, before we smell this tequila, what are we smelling in here? What are we going to find in here? I know it's going to smell like alcohol, but what else are we expecting to find in here?
Different florals and spices and...
You're right on that. Yeah, you're right on that. But what the tequila is made out of? Agave. So we're going to smell the agave, alcohol and agave. You can apply different adjectives describing these aromas. Silver tequila is the strongest one on aromas and smell. Alright? And flavor. So if you're planning to mix some tequila, use a white one, alright? So let's go ahead, we're going to smell on these three different spots in here. Down here, where the alcohol, the heavier aroma comes down here, the alcohol. Up here, where you will find the agave. And in this case, we're not going to find anything, but up here, you find the aging, the wood from the barrels, alright? So let's go ahead and smell this one. And yeah, it has a strong smell of alcohol, I know. Before we go back to the beer, I would like to say thank you very much for coming today. I sincerely hope you had a good time with us.
We did! Yes!
Yeah! Actually, your comments or reviews about your experience with us, those are welcome at tripadvisor.com. Alright, so we're going to have you in the van. This time this is going to be goodbye for us because I will stay in here. So I will get you in the van and have you going back to the pier, which as you remember is only less than a mile away from here, so it's going to be less than 3 minutes, alright?